What's up guys, it's Matt here. So for this video, I wanted to go over one of my stock trading sites, basically just a breakdown on what I think of it and my full review of Fidelity. Before I start, hit the like button, that helps me out a lot. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember, I'm doing a giveaway, which I can get into at the end. So Fidelity, I've been using it for a long time and I moved to different stock brokerage accounts just because I wanted to get experience with those other ones and do reviews on those as well and see what benefits me in different areas. And a lot of them have different benefits to them. One stock brokerage account is better than the other one in a certain area. Commissions are better in other areas. It's just really complex and you can't get everything in one. Obviously, if you have the highest commission, you're hoping that you have the highest tools or the best tools. If you have the lowest commission, you probably have the worst tools, but you have a lower commission, so you can find a way to make that work. So I'm going to go through Fidelity, what I think about it, and basically just tell you, is it worth it? Should you look into Fidelity and start trading within Fidelity? So just a fun fact for Fidelity, it was rated best online broker in 2018 by Investors Business Daily and stockbrokers.com. So it was obviously rated as a good site for a reason. They have a lot of tools and I'll give you my honest opinion at the end of this video after I go through the details of what I've seen, what are the best parts of it. So first they offer $4.95 per trade. That's basically average. It's right in the middle. You see TD Ameritrade at $6.95 per trade. You have a first trade at $0 per trade. You have different areas of commission. So this is right in the middle. It's not bad. And they have a reason why they charge you a commission. Also, one good thing is they have no minimum balance to open the account. I remember back when I first started investing, every account pretty much wanted you to invest $500 in order to start. Now it's not the case. Every single account pretty much has no minimum, which is good. But there are some accounts out there that have a minimum that you need, like at Interactive Brokers. I believe you need $10,000 in order to start that account. But I think they're at 0.01 cent per share. So they have a little bit different structure with their brokerage account, but it's still a good account. So I would say that this one's basically average, the minimum balance, because of the fact that you have a bunch out there that have no minimum balance requirement. So I would say they're average. Another thing that they do is they can assist you in rolling over your old 401k. So if you have something from a different job, from varying jobs, from multiple places, then you can roll all that over into Fidelity and you can figure that out in some way and still have your 401k for retirement. One thing that I use a lot, which I'll bring up an image of it, is the stock screener. Basically where you can put in all your different parameters and get your screen stocks, what you want to filter down to. Just if you want to do like day trading or swing trading, this is really helpful. And even if you want to do like long-term investments, you can figure out things like what is the stock price, like what percentage were they at, 52 weeks, 10 weeks, 12 weeks, things like that. You can have so many different parameters that you can select and find the stocks that you want. And that just really comes in handy because I use it all the time whenever I'm looking for stocks that, gap up or, have a large drop if I want to play the bounce, like things like that. And I'll be able to use these stock screeners to give me my watch list for the next day, what to look at. Another thing that they have is a stock research dashboard, which they have a ton of tools, a ton of ways to research stocks, depending like if it's time to buy, if it's time to sell, is it undervalued, is it valued correctly, things like that. What are the dividends, all types of things. And they give you all types of information for that specific stock, and you have a ton of market news. You have a ton of different things that you can look at in this area. And it's kind of overwhelming when you're first starting out. If you're looking to just start out, it's kind of overwhelming. You have to take it one area at a time. You don't want to overcomplicate yourself. Start with all of the market news, understand what the market news is, then move into like what are the charts, then move into, you know, the value of the stock, move into dividends, move into comparison between industries, things like that. And you just need to take it one step at a time, but it is a lot of information, and that's the reason why you're paying $4.95 per trade. You have all of these different research tools. Another thing that I really like that I haven't found with any other brokerage accounts so far is the Active Trader Pro. Their live platform is so amazing to where I can actually customize it and move a 1-minute chart up here, move a 5-minute chart down there, you know, look at my current stocks, actually have the volume that stock is trading, and all different types of things. I can actually customize a whole area in order to figure out what I need to move in certain places. And this really helps me out, especially someone who's more into intraday trading. I can see how the stock is moving live. It's constantly moving. There's never a gap in time. There's never a problem with any type of, you know, second or minute or hour or anything, which I've had with other platforms. This is pretty good. So if you're looking for something that has an up-to-date format, that is like live as it can possibly be, this would be it. Now you do have to download this separately. It's not on the platform itself. So if you're looking to do this at, like, say, your job, you won't be able to download this on there, obviously, unless you get permission from them, or if you're like the CEO, then you can do whatever you want. But you're not going to be able to do this on a public computer. You want to do it on your own computer to be able to actively manage all of your stocks and trades and, you know, go from there. So this is definitely a live platform. It's a great platform that I love using. I just used it today. And it just feels good to be able to know that you have live information. And I mean to the millisecond. A couple things that they have is they have options trading, which is $4.95 plus 65 cents per option contract. You have $1 per bond price for online trades when it comes to bonds. Fidelity offers over 10,000 mutual funds, whether it's Fidelity or non-Fidelity mutual funds. They also have 357 commission-free EFTs online from Fidelity and iShare. So that definitely comes in handy. They also offer a 529 account, all different types of 529 accounts. And this is very important if you're not familiar with what a 529 account. I'm pretty sure I don't have a video on it, but I will link some videos in the cards just so that they can explain it to you. I'm pretty sure that I will have a video on it in the future, but I'll just link it to somebody else's video, whoever I find the most informative and can get to the point pretty quick. So I'll give you that information. I'll shoot it up in the cards and then you can check that out. They also offer the Fidelity Credit Card. If you're not familiar with that, I can put a picture up in this video somewhere, like right here or something. But they offer 2% cash back, which gets put into your investment account, so that basically it's like you're buying something, but you're getting 2% back to put into this account to be able to trade and invest and do everything that you wanted to do. So that's pretty interesting. One big thing that I like about Fidelity is that they have a full view dashboard. And this is something where you can actually see what your net worth is. You put in all of your accounts, your bank accounts, all your investment accounts, all of your different bills, and then you'll be able to see what your net worth is. Even your investments, whatever your house, your mortgage cost is, all different types of things. You actually go into your mortgage company and it updates for you, so you don't have to update it every time. This is pretty interesting. I've been using this, and just to be able to get your net worth above zero, for like if you're 21, if you get your net worth above zero, you're at a great place, and you don't want to be at a net worth that's below zero. You just want to keep climbing. So my honest opinion of Fidelity is that I like it, and I like a lot of things, and there's a reason why I like it, but it doesn't give you everything that you want. I mean, obviously you're paying $4.95 per trade. You're basically paying $10 per transaction as a whole, buy and sell, which is not good because it eats into your profit. You do have a first trade that gives you $0 commission, but they don't really have a live platform, and even their platform is not up to date. So a lot of times I went in there and traded something, and an hour later it was still the same price. That does not make sense. And I mean exactly the same price. And then I checked in Fidelity and it was completely different than what showed in First Trade. So obviously Fidelity is offering, you know, the live platform because they're charging $4.95 per trade, and they're different areas of getting commission as well. So I like it. I love their Active Trader Pro. If you wanted to check that out, you can go ahead and I'll put the link to Fidelity so that you can log in there, do whatever you want. You don't have to put anything in there yet, but you can see how the platform works. And the platform is really amazing when you actually get to use it. Right now, I'm mainly just using the Active Trader Pro, and this helps me out in a tremendous way. And I have so many profits because of that live platform. So hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, hit the like button. Also, comment down below and let me know if you have Fidelity or if you use any other platform. I would love to hear from you guys. Just shoot me a comment down below. Also, hit the subscribe button because I'm doing a giveaway of 5 Amazon gift cards when I hit my 5,000 subscriber mark. And if you're interested in free money or you want free gift cards, I mean, just hit the subscribe button. Also, put a like on this video and comment down below and let me know what is your favorite credit card. Do all of those things and you'll be entered in the giveaway. So as always, thank you for watching my video, for coming through, liking, commenting, subscribing to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.